one. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. Hi, Jeremy. Hi, Jace. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Aiden. Hope y'all power back on. The power back on at school, but we still have some friends who don't have power. I hope everybody's doing good this morning. So, today is Hump, Hump, Hump Wednesday. Today is Hump, Hump, Hump Wednesday.
Today is November.
Kyrie is going to help us with the calendar. So,
today is November. The month is November.
The month is November. Can we spell November? November. So if you have November on your book, it's going to be with the leaf. Circle it.
Please.
Don't touch that.
100.
Come on, let's go check everybody's paper. Circle it. Circle the leaf. Kennedy. Oh, baby. It's not working. Try this one. Sorry, it's not working. Can you open it? Not working. Let's see. Kennedy, can you circle your November? Here. Here, Ken. November. This is not working either. Oh, no. All the markers want to go to sleep. Let's try this one, November. Here, Ken. November. Van, where's your calendar? You circle November, Kyrie?
Yeah.
All right, then.
That was the word.
So where's your calendar? Where's your calendar, Van?
That was work. You're not working. Shut up.
Kyrie, the camera is on. Do you want them to see you? You want them to see you doing the right thing. Come on, Kyrie, you can do it.
I can't.
You can do it. November, Van. We're waiting on Van to circle November before we can go on. Come on, Van, circle November. November. All right, let's go next. Today is the 4th. Can we make a 4? All right, go make a 4 on your folder. Can you circle the 4? Circle the 4.
4.
Kennedy, circle the 4. Van, circle the 4. The year is what? What is the year, guys? The year is 2020. November 2020. Circle the 2 and the 0. Circle the 2 and the 0. Circle the 2 and the 0. Go circle the 2 and the 0. Kennedy, circle your 2 and your 0. Van, circle your 2 and your 0. 2020. Circle your 2 and your 0. Kyrie, I don't see your 4 circle. Kyrie, I need you to circle your 2 and your 0. Over here. Over here. 2 and the 0.
0 go. 0 go.
2 and the 0. All right. And number 4 is an even number. Can you go write even on yours, Kyrie? Even number. Over here. Even number. Then, can you circle even number or write it? Let's see. Even number.
It's not working here.
Even. Even.
No more.
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
on, Kennedy.
No more.
Let's find you even. Here. Even.
Hey, that was wrong. That was
Okay.
wrong.
And the weather. What is the weather? Is it stormy? Is it sunny? Is it fall? Is it windy? Or is it partly sunny? Which one is it? Which one is it, guys? We're going to go with sunny. And the season is fall. Did y'all see all the leaves falling with the wind when we was at home? With Hurricane Zeta? Fall.
The trees are falling off.
The leaves are falling off the tree. Fall. Kennedy, fall. Then, where's your fall? Here. Fall. All right. So, let's go to the next slide, guys. Y'all ready? What is the temperature? Is it cool? Is it cold? Is it warm?
No.
Is it hot?
No.
What is it?
It's cool.
It's cool. Can you circle cool for me? Great job. Now let's make sure our friends do it. Can you circle cool?
I circle cool.
Then can you circle cool?
Oh, that's cold. That's cold. That's cold.
No. You want cool. Cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. Cool.
What can we wear?
Shirt. Shirt.
Circle, circle. What else can we wear?
Jacket.
What else can we wear?
Sweater.
And what else can we wear?
Shirt.
No. What else? Pants. Great job. Thank you, Daniel. Let's check on our friends. Go put it on yours. Let's go check our friends. Come on. Come on, Kyrie. Come help me check our friends.
Stop. Slow it down.
Yes. Yep. Yeah. Come on, Van. Come on, Kyrie. Let's go check Van paper. Sir. Jacket. Sweater. All right. Let's go to the next slide. Come on, friends. At home. Kevin, do you have it? Jeremy, do you have it? Jace, do you have it? Aiden, do you have it? Next slide. Oh, what was yesterday? What was yesterday? Thank you. Yes, yes. Okay, can you turn it back, please? I'm sorry that Kyrie's not helping. Kyrie, we have to help our friends, not hurt our friends. Be gentle. Let's check our friends. So, yes. Can you cover your mouth? Don't talk on our friends. Yesterday was Tuesday. Kennedy? Yes, don't talk on our friends. That's not nice. Yesterday was Tuesday. All right. Can you go circle Tuesday on yours? Tuesday. All right. Come on. What is today, guys? What is today? Hump, hump, hump Wednesday. Hump, hump, hump Wednesday. Let's check our friends. Come on, Carrie. Let's check our friends. Hump, hump Wednesday. Kennedy. Hump, hump, hump Wednesday.
Miss B,
Yeah.
you touched the marker.
Okay, come on, can you circle it on yours? Hump, hump Wednesday. All right, come on. Let's change the slide. Y'all got that at home, guys?
Thursday. Wait a minute.
Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. I know. They all do. Yeah. It's okay. Tomorrow's gonna be Thursday, guys. Tomorrow's gonna be Thursday. Can you circle Thursday? Kennedy, can you circle Thursday? All right. Come on, the time running out on the clock. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Next. How many days kindergarten finish school? 48. Can you give me a 4 and an 8, Kyrie? 4 and 8. 4, 8. How many days first through 4th finish school? 52. Can I have a 5 and a 2, Kyrie? 5 and a 2. 5 and a 2. Let's check our friends. Let's check our friends. 5 and a 2. 5 and a 2. 5, 2. 5, 2, Kennedy. 5, 2. 5, 2. All right. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, we already did this one. Today is an even number. You want to trace even? And how many classmates we have? How many classmates? Slow down. All right. And the number 4. We only need 4. Can you do 4? 1, 2, slow down. 3, 4. Let's check our friends. Let's check our friends.
Day 5. I don't know what I just did.
Go right here. Come on, Kennedy. Come on. Come on, Kennedy.
Right there.
11. 11. And even. Okay. That includes our calendar for Jeremy, James, Kevin, and Autumn. We're going to do some iReady today, guys. So if y'all need our help, feel free to call. And Miss Alexis going to call and meet with some of y'all one-on-one to do your hours. So y'all have an awesome day, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.